guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be day 13 of Beauty on a Budget, 30 days of glam for less. Today is going to be all about this ultra slim brow pencil from Ulta Beauty. Mine is in the shade Brunette. There are 12 shade options on Ulta's website and it retails for $11. Your most defined brows yet. That is very true. Ulta Beauty Collection's Ultra Slim Brow Pencil coats brows with the finest precision for a natural looking finish. Spoolie brush blends color to achieve an effortless, quick look. Packaging may vary, same formula you love. The reason why I love this is that it's so quick and easy to use. I hate doing my brows. It's the worst part of the makeup routine in my opinion, and this just makes it so easy and so effortless. Like the description said, it has a spoolie on one end and the pencil on the other, and you can see how small and defined it is. By the way, I just did a video on this eye look. It is a Profusion palette and it is amazing, so I'll have that up at some point, but just in case you're interested and you're like, wow, your eyes are so pretty, it's Profusion. You can find it at Walmart. I always start with the underneath of my brow and then draw back. I just try to fill in the little spots, the little sparse areas like up here, and then I'll go back down the tail on the top and the bottom and fill that in. I don't normally fill in like this front part because I don't want it to be like too heavy looking, and my brows are already dark to begin with. So then I'll just brush through, and just like that, I'm done. I don't spend a lot of time on my brows, so this product is perfect. It doesn't pull my brows. I find that a lot of brow pencils will pull the brow hairs out. It does not do that. It glides on super evenly. Very easy to use, very beginner friendly. It is not too red on my eyebrows. I found that some eyebrow pencils, whether I get brown or brunette or whatever the color is, it's a little bit too red on me. This one is not. It is perfect. See, not a lot of effort at all. We're already done. We're not going for 2016 brows. We're just going for everyday, super easy brows. I'm just gonna top it with some brow gel. This is the Anastasia one. I don't know how I still have this. I got this years ago. Super easy, super quick. That's the way I like my brows. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the rest of my beauty series. I have many days before this and then a few other videos sprinkled in, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see everything, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.